Guys, ready to change some batteries? Let's do it. With the on button facing towards you, you turn it towards you, the ear pad, and pull it away. It's just that easy. Let's watch it again. Turn, just like that. Super simple. Show you the inside, get an idea what it looks like. That's what you're dealing with. And then we're gonna take the batteries, right? And you're gonna make sure you put them in the way the instructions tell you to, because that's important. So we're gonna go ahead and do it with the other battery as well. Same deal. And then we're going to take the ear pad and we're going to put it back on because we're professionals. And that's how we do it, guys. All right, turn it back on and away from you. Click. That is how you do it, my friends. If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.